Grand Rising, Grand Rising. There had been a lot of talk about people saying the market is saturated. So I just want to jump on right quick. God put it on my heart to let someone know it doesn't matter if the market is saturated. There's no saturation when it comes to your gift. Someone needs your recipe. As I'm in the store right now, what I'm led to show you is this. Let's see. Let me see. Can I turn around? Okay, hold up. How you switch it? Okay. So there are several brands when it comes to cake mixes. So someone needs your recipe. So even if they say the market is saturated, as you see here, you have Duncan Hines, you have Pillsbury, you have Betty Crocker. Who is that? Some more Pillsbury, Betty Crocker, Duncan Hines, Ghirardelli chocolate, Godiva, Krusteaz. So to let you know that it doesn't, what is this right here? Kodak cakes or some simple meals. This is just to let you know it doesn't matter what anyone says that any market is saturated. Someone needs your recipe. God said that your gifts will make room for you. Don't allow anyone to say that there are too many people doing too much of this or too much of that, because there isn't. As you see, when you go in the store, we all have our favorite brands of different things. We all have our favorite sauce. So whatever your sauce is, whatever your drip is, whatever, whatever spice you want to add, someone needs that recipe. So make sure you don't allow anyone to talk you out of your purpose, out of your gift, out of your talent, out of your sauce, out of your drip. Like these different sauces, even right here, you see the different brands. So whatever your vision is, God said your gifts will make room for you. So always remember that. So I just wanted to stop in right quick while I was in the store to let you all know. Stay focused. Stay blessed. Oh, this mess. And continue to work on your passion. And continue to trust and continue to know. Okay? I want y'all to have a good day. And continue to walk in your purpose. And continue to walk in your plan. And continue to progress in the process. And know someone needs your recipe. And that God said your gifts will make room for you. Have an amazing day, guys. Much love.